Hello everyone, so welcome again to our lesson today. So how are you everyone? So I hope that you are enjoy with your holiday, and today we're gonna start our new lesson. Actually, the last lesson that teacher teach you is about what is it, right? So everyone know the answer. Everyone know to answer how to use it, right? Like for example, teacher ask you, like review a little bit before we go right to our lesson. So everyone, what is it? Yes, it is sharpener. Yeah, very good, my dear. And this one, what is it? Yeah, it's a pencil case. This one, what is it? It's an eraser. Very good. Okay. Look, everyone, what is it? Yeah, it's a bag. It's a bag. I'm sorry. Okay. And this one, what is it? It's a ruler. Okay, good, my dear. And this one, what is it? It's a marker. And here, teacher have the real one too. Thank you. So now, let's move to our lesson today. That teacher gonna teach you, okay, negative. Today, we're gonna learn about negative sentence that we have to use in the sentence that one is not, like something like that. Okay, here teacher give you the example here. So negative, this one, it is not a or an according to the thing. Okay, so it is not a or an, and then here you have to complete with the word that is not, right? So now let's see. A1, teacher would like to show you this one. Okay, so, and teacher gonna say, what is it? Yeah, it is a sharpener. So, teacher gonna say, can we make this one into a negative? Yeah, so to be negative, number one, so it is not an eraser, right? Is it correct? Yeah, because the picture is sharpener. That's why teacher use not here and eraser, right? Actually, this one is sharpener. Very good. Okay. Now let's move to the next picture. Teacher gonna ask you this. Okay. You want? Look at this picture. What is it? Yeah, it's a pencil case. You know what it is. One so good. So if teacher wanna put that one, so teacher gonna make it. It's what? It is not a bag, right? Everyone always confused with this one. Bag or pencil case? Okay, so teacher gonna put that. No, this one is not a bag, but it's a pencil case. So here, that's why teacher say that this one is the kind of negative, okay? Because we have not here. That's why we call that negative. Okay, so next, please. Everyone, look at this picture. What is it? Yes, it's the thing that you always erase it when you have a mistake. When you write with pencil and you have mistake, you use this one, right, to erase it. So this one is an eraser. So teacher gonna change this one to be negative. What is it, everyone? Yes, it is not a sharpener, right? It is not a sharpener. And what is it? Yeah, it's an eraser. Very good, everyone understands so well. Now, let's move to the next one, everyone. Look at this with teacher. Alright. Look at this. What is it? Yeah, it's a marker, right? So teacher gonna change this one to be negative. What is it? Okay, yeah, we're gonna change it. So number 4, it is not a pen. What is it? Yeah, it's a marker, right? But it is not a pen. Okay, one more now, everyone. Okay, this one, you know already. What is it? Yeah, it's a ruler. So, teacher would like to make this one to be negative. So, it's gonna be, it is not whatever. It is not a marker, right? But what is it? Yes, it's a ruler. So thank you, everyone. I hope that you understand what is the negative sentence. So the next negative sentence is we have not in this sentence, like this one. It is, and then not, and then plus and or and, or and. Okay, according to the noun that you use with it. Okay, like this one. Everyone read with me. Okay, number one. It is not an eraser. Number two. It is not a bag. Ready? You see the picture? Number three, it is not a sharpener. You see? We have not in the sentence. That's why we call this one negative, right? Number four, it is not a pen. You see? We have not here. That's why we call that negative sentence, right? Number five, the last one, but not least. Look, it is not a marker. Okay, I'm sorry, teacher forget a number four. It is not a pen. So look. So actually the picture is different. That's why teacher put not here. Look. Here, this is marker, but teacher put that it is not a pen, it's a marker, right? Like this one, it is not an eraser, it's a sharpener. Number two, it is not a bag, it is a pencil case. Number three, it is not a sharpener, it is an eraser. Number four, it is not a pen, it is a marker. Number five, it is not a marker, it's a ruler, right? Okay, now teacher would like you to note a little bit in this lesson that, okay, we have to note it. Okay, like for example, teacher would like to tell you that the first sentence is, it is not an eraser, but how we make this one to be a short form? Yeah, teacher would like to use how to, would like you to know how to read it. Okay, like this one, it is not a pen. So when teacher make it short, it's gonna be what? Okay, like it's, okay. Oh, sorry, like this one. I'm sorry, teacher confused it. It isn't, okay. It isn't a pen. So everyone, look at this. So it's not become like isn't. So this one we call that short form, okay? Note again, everyone. So it is not a pen, but when we make it short, we cannot short here. So it isn't a pen, okay? You understand it? So if you have question, you can ask me more. Yeah. Okay. So do you understand with this lesson today with negative sentence, anyone? Yes, I hope that everyone enjoy with teacher lesson today. And yeah, thank you so much. See you again in the next lesson. Okay, bye bye.